Hi, I'm Dr. Yo at College Trip Express headquarters. Super excited because we just completed week 1 of the CommonApp Boot Camp series this summer of 23. And this fine young man has an exciting announcement.
Hi, I'm Rahin, and I finished my CommonApp.
Woo! Yeah, you did. Checks in.
I'm Sophia, and I'm done with my CommonApp, and Dr. Yo is my hero.
I'm Zach, and I'm done with my CommonApp.
Yay!
I'm Julian, and I'm done with my CommonApp.
All the way from Baltimore. Yeah, you are. Okay, thank you guys. Your checks are in the mail.
Hi, I'm Anton, and I just finished my Common application. Thank you, Dr. Yo.
Woo! Good job.
I'm Aaron, and I just finished my Common App application as well.
Hey, Aaron, good job. Yeah, your check.
Hi, I'm Gigi Mendelson, and I'm done with my CommonApp.
Woo!
Hi, I'm Josh Mayer, and I am also done with my CommonApp with the help of Dr. Yo.
Yeah, Josh.
Hi, I'm Ted Simons, and I'm also done with my CommonApp.
Yeah, you are. Good job.
Hi, I'm Bella Mendelson, and I'm done with my CommonApp.
Yay, Ben.
Hi, my name is Charlie Simons, and I am finished with my CommonApp.
Hi, I'm Dr. Yo, and these two students have a very exciting announcement.
Hi, I'm Aria, and I'm done with my CommonApp.
Yeah, you are.
Hi, I'm Aki, and I'm done with my CommonApp.
Yay, Aki, you guys are great.
I'm Elijah Wells, and I'm finished with the CommonApp.